The Counselling and Bereavement Practitioner course is a Gateway Workshop's online course and is a must for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but is also ideal for both professional and personal use. It's been written to provide not just practitioner-level information, but also to deliver support, understanding, and knowledge to those who need it. In this course, students learn about grief, its many varying forms, and how it can differ from situation to situation and person to person. We aim to offer support, practical guidance, and the steps individuals can take so they are empowered to understand and support bereavement counselling for their clients, themselves, their families and friends. We introduce grief and bereavement, discuss each of these concepts, and explore and identify specific counselling skills used for individuals coping with grief and bereavement, as well as practical guidance individuals can use to help move them through the grieving journey. The course also deeply examines counselling for different types of bereavement, such as losing someone to suicide, the loss of a child, or a much-loved pet. We also provide more information on alternative holistic therapies to support individuals who may need something beyond traditional counselling. The course includes concepts such as the dual process method, the 4 tasks of mourning, the therapeutic alliance, complicated grief, CBT, EFT techniques, meditation exercises, and even how to clear chakra and meridian blockages. At the end of the course, we explore all the practical steps the bereavement period may require, such as funeral arrangements and statutory rites. We also consider cultural differences for mourning periods and funerals. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use your knowledge with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.